What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's Jayla Joy here. As you can see, I got my braids. I just got my hair done today. I'm currently waiting on my sis. I'm finna grab her, and then I gotta grab my other sis, and we're finna hit this hookah lounge called Venus and Mars. I've never been. Hopefully it's a vibe. Today's Thursday, so we'll see how this goes. But yeah, if you're new here, hey girl, my name is Jayla. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And yeah, let's get into this weekend vlog, I guess. Today's Thursday. Yeah. I'll say hi to my vlog.
Hey vlog.
What's up, y'all? So today is Sunday. I haven't been vlogging this weekend. Yesterday I hung out with my boyfriend and his sisters, and we were at her house and we cooked. We had some bomb burritos, like they were good. Anyway, I haven't ate out all weekend. I ate out on Thursday. I had some Chick-fil-A, whatever, but I've barely been eating out. I'm actually proud of myself because I'm quick to eat out. So, but probably for the rest of the day, I'm gonna be doing this homework. My computer is acting up, and I'm kind of over it. Like, Apple, why every couple months I gotta update my computer? And on top of that, I don't have any. I barely have storage, supposedly, but like I do all my editing on this thing. So I hooked this up to my computer, and I do all my editing. So supposedly I don't have no storage. Okay, but I'm watching America's Next Top Model. I know. I actually enjoy watching it. I don't know. It's something to watch, not something that's gonna take my whole focus. I can still do my homework while watching it. And yeah, so I got 3 assignments to do. 3 missing assignments to do. So I gotta get on that because I want them done by midnight. And right now, phone's dead. Right now it's like 3:30. So that's pretty much how my day's going. And then if you want to say hi to my bestie. Hey girlfriend. Yeah, you. Hey sweetheart. But yeah, that's how my Sunday's going. What's up, y'all? So today was Memorial Day. I gotta cook it with my aunts and uncles and my mom and my grandma.
So we're about to head home. I'm waiting for them to hop in the car because your girl gotta work tomorrow. And I'm tired. It's been a great weekend because my aunt was in town from Detroit. And like I've never met her before. So it was nice to meet her. So yeah, that was fun. We also, if you see earlier, we got a massage. And y'all, the massage was bomb. Like I've never gotten a massage before. Like I've only had massages in the massage chair, which was fun, which was cool, but not as good as getting a massage. And yeah, it was real interesting. I'm not even finna hold you. It was real interesting. Am I like blurry? Yeah, y'all, there we go. It was real interesting because first of all, I didn't know this, but we had to take off all our clothes, and we could keep our panties on, but most people don't keep their panties on. And I was like, what? But I kept my panties on, okay? And I made sure it was a female that was doing my massage. Me and my mom and my aunt both all got females, so that was good. Oh yeah, so she worked out my whole body. First she worked out my backside, then she turned me over and worked out my front side. She worked out my arms, my hands, my legs, my feet, everything, my back obviously. Like she worked out everything and it felt so good, y'all. It felt so good. It hurt a little bit and like I kind of flinched a little bit, and she was like, am I going too hard? And I was like, yeah, a little bit. But yeah, she worked me out. She cracked my back. It was bomb. And it was $60 for 60 minutes. And my mom treated me because I was like, I don't really think a massage was worth it. But now my perspective changed because my aunt wanted a massage to begin with. And so me and my mom just ended up trying it. And yeah, that was it. But I'll check back with you guys once I get home. Hey y'all. So today is Tuesday. And y'all, it's been so hot. Like, I'm so hot. Like, I got this window open, but it feels like the heat's on. Like, it's so muggy in my room. It felt so much cooler downstairs, but of course heat rises, so just miserable. But I like the heat though. It's just like when I feel too hot, I'm gonna wake up in some sweat because I can't go to sleep with no on me. Like, it's just not happening. But I came on here to check in with you guys, and there is a lash in my lash. So, you know, usually when it be hot, I just woke up from a nap. That's probably why my eyes are so red. But you know, I be thirsty, okay? And water don't be cutting it at this point because I'm hot. I need some refresh. And water be good, but I don't usually drink pop. So when it's like hot days like this, like I be craving pop. So got me some orange Fanta, which I'm about to open and drink. I also got me some water, of course, because you know, pop makes you thirsty. And then I got this, of course I got some gum because gum is my, I always chew gum. But I got this Starburst Duo. I've never seen this before. Have you guys seen this before? Like, I've never seen this before. Let me know in the comments if you have and what you think about it. I think it's gonna be good, so I'm about to try it. But yeah, I'm just gonna end this night. I'm about to watch me some Law and Order, some like old Law and Order. I also need to catch up on All American because that's my show too. But options. So I didn't show you guys, but put my LED lights on. So I'm gonna show you guys. Give me 1 second. Dope, huh? I know that's right. I love it. I like this one. This one's cool. Like if you just want a different lighting and you want to turn off your actual light. But yeah,
So anyways, tomorrow's agenda, we finna get these lashes done. As you can see, I'm looking really bare here, and we need to take out this hair because these are really starting to look like some gel braids, and that was not what I was going for. So I'm gonna take it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair because I don't get it done until next week, and I got plans this weekend. So all right, y'all, good night. Good morning, y'all. So I got my eyebrows done just like 20 minutes ago, and now I'm on my way to get my lashes done, which I'm so excited. I'm gonna feel like a new girl. As you can see, my lashes are so bare right now, so I cannot wait to feel full again. But yeah, and I will check back in with you guys once we get there because we about to hop on this freeway. So these are the lashes. I'm so happy I was able to get them done today because I was feeling so incomplete without them. So yeah, this is how they look. They are, what are they? Mega volume, and I used 18 through 22 and just kind of had them I kind of had like that flare out look. So yeah, y'all, it's hot. Like, it's really hot. I want to sit downstairs, but anyways, I just cooked me some food, and I work tomorrow, so I'm gonna get ready for work tomorrow, and I'm also gonna edit this vlog. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this like weekend vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.